Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2019 Nissan Altima with some electrical issues on the door locks actuators. The driver's side door lock actuator is not working, okay, but the other doors is working now. Okay, so look, what you need to do is just this motor. This is a little DC motor. It's a direct current. This is the part number right here. Okay, and you need to replace that part. Where is the location? Look, that motor is inside to the door lock. This is the latch from the driver's side. Okay, it's inside right here. You need to remove these 3 screws and remove this right here and the other 3 screws. No, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and has another clips right here. Okay, let me disassemble this cover because I already changed that part, but I want to show you what happened inside to this door lock. Okay, look, this is the mechanism. This is from the that part. Very careful with this one. This is for the key manually open and lock position. Okay, right there. Look, this is unlock, lock. All right, okay, so what you need to do, just replace that motor and that's it, because this one has the internal electrical issue and you need to replace that one. Okay, so again, just be careful with this part and assemble. We need to assemble again the cover to this motor actuator. Let me see, right there. Okay, just push down and that's it, guys. Okay, we have 4 screws. Yeah, is that T-Tors? T10. All right, you need that socket to install the 4 screws. All right, right there, and the other 3. Okay, there. We need to use the wrench just to make sure that it's good. And there you go, guys. Look, the location to this latch is right here. Okay, side to the driver door. Right there. Okay, right there, guys. Okay, so just we're going to connect the door lock actuator and check if it's working or not. All right, just to make sure that it's working properly. Yeah, for now it's working. So we're going to connect the master window switch. Like there. And just we're going to open the main switch, ignition switch on, and look, for now we're going to test the door lock actuator. This cable is the actuator. Yes, there you go. Close, and we need to open but the door is open. Okay, so let me move the door lock right here. Yes, right there. Now it's closed, and we're going to lock right there, unlock. Okay, now it's working, guys. All right, so if you have this kind of issue on the Nissan Altima, you need to replace the motor actuator, and that's it. You can find this motor on eBay, Amazon. All right, this is the part number right there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. All right, Nissan, this is a 2019 Nissan Altima door lock actuator, not working, but you replace that motor. All right, thank you so much. Bye bye.